Alright, Dragon Ball Legends, under maintenance, new banner. They released a video for 2 of the 5 characters that they said would be in the banner. This is my video right here from the Dragon Ball Legends Facebook page. And I've already watched both that they've released so far. It is currently, like, of course, 10:25 in Central Time for America. So, yeah, I'll make a separate video for the rest of the videos if they do release more. Go ahead and play the video for mine.
This is for my friend. Clear away! Nowhere to run! You're mine! Bullseye! I did it! I really did it!
Man, that is a great character, but I'm afraid that's going to be like Mr. Hercule. It's going to be a weak unit, even though it's a sparking, and it's going to be almost impossible to get a win with her. That's my only worry. I think, yeah, this one's the Trunks.
I will win this.
Currently, this is Super Saiyan 2 Trunks. Great unit. It's another Super Saiyan 2, so now we have, like, what, 3 Super Saiyan 2 characters? And apparently this one's supposed to be blue, so now we have a purple Super Saiyan 2, we have a yellow Super Saiyan 2, and now we have a blue Super Saiyan 2. Okay. It's actually the first Trunks that I know of that can use Gauntlet Gun. It's a really good character. I like the movements of it. I don't know. Yeah, they have not released any more videos for this banner. So, I will see you in the next video, which is probably going to be about the future Gohan, which I am all the rage for. I really hope I do get it, and if I do, I will do a massive video on it. I will. I mean, it's actually, this is going to be an actual game that portrays future Gohan right. He's missing an arm. In other games, he has both arms. So this is going to be a game that finally has a future Gohan that has only one arm. It's amazing. So I'll see all of you in the next video. Bye.